Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to show notifications info on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been missing message previews or simply want more control over what pops up on your screen, this guide will help you turn on the settings quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Click on those lines to expand the main menu. This will open up different sections where you can access your profile, contacts, and other tools. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings section, you'll notice several categories that you can adjust to make Telegram work just the way you want it. For this tutorial, the option we're focusing on is Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in Notifications and Sounds, you'll see a variety of options that let you decide how messages, groups, and channels alert you. To make sure your notifications show detailed info, look for the section that controls previews. Here, you'll find the options to show the name and text of incoming messages. By enabling this choice, every time you get a new message, both the sender's name and part of the text will appear in the notification pop-up. This update makes it simpler to glance at messages without opening the app right away. You'll know who's contacting you and what the message is about instantly, which can save time and help you respond faster. If you prefer more privacy, you can always come back later and change the setting to hide message previews. Once you've checked the name and text option, your changes are saved automatically, and you're good to go. From now on, your Telegram notifications on PC will include message details, making it much easier to stay connected and up to date. That's it. You've just learned how to enable message information in Telegram notifications on your computer. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference in how you use the app every day.